In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Microsoft Teams in 2025 using a clear and straightforward step-by-step guide. This integration is perfect for enhancing communication and collaboration by combining the functionalities of both these powerful tools. To begin, make sure you have Microsoft Teams ready. You can use either the Microsoft Teams desktop application, which provides a full range of features, or you can access Teams via the web version if that suits your preference better. Either way, you'll need to sign in with your work or school account, ensuring you have the correct credentials on hand. Once inside Teams, the next step is to add the Zoom application to your Teams interface. Look to the bottom left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Zoom to find the application you need. Here, you'll want to select Zoom for Teams and then click on Add. This will integrate Zoom's functionalities directly into your Teams environment. Now you're ready to sign in to Zoom within Teams. Open the Zoom app that you just added. You'll notice a sign in button, so go ahead and log in using your Zoom account credentials. This could be your work, school, or personal Zoom account depending on what you prefer to use. After signing in, make sure to grant the necessary permissions, which allows Teams to access your Zoom account seamlessly. With Zoom added to Teams, it's time to configure the settings according to your preferences. Decide whether you'd like Zoom to send notifications within Teams. This feature is particularly useful for staying up to date with meeting changes or notifications. Additionally, linking your calendar to Zoom can be advantageous if you wish to sync your scheduled meetings, making organization much easier. Now let's talk about scheduling and starting Zoom meetings directly from within Teams, adding a ton of convenience to your workflow. Inside Teams, navigate to any chat or channel where you'd like to initiate a meeting. You can type @Zoom followed by specific commands like @Zoom start, which kicks off an instant meeting, or @Zoom schedule to plan a meeting for later. Once these commands are issued, a link is generated for participants to join easily. Finally, joining a Zoom meeting through Teams is as simple as clicking a posted Zoom link. Whether it appears in a chat or a calendar entry, clicking the link will launch Zoom in either your web browser or the desktop app, depending on your settings. This makes connecting with colleagues swift and hassle-free, regardless of whether you're on your computer or the go. By following these steps, you can effectively bring together the best of Microsoft Teams and Zoom, streamlining your communication and collaboration efforts with colleagues and stakeholders. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Teams and Zoom experience more seamless and